Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact amplifier IC and passive parts. Choose a 5V capable op-amp or a 5V Class D module. Once parts are laid out, wire power and ground rails first to avoid shorts, then add a 0.1 microfarad close to VCC for decoupling. Make sure to include input coupling caps and set input bias with resistors. This prevents DC offsets. Use the multimeter to verify 5V and ground continuity before applying signal to the input jack. Now focus on the signal chain. Feed the audio source through a 10 microfarad coupling capacitor into the input resistor network so DC biasing stays correct. Then implement the gain stage using the feedback resistor pair. For example, a 10:1 ratio boosts signal while preserving stability, but follow the IC datasheet. Place the output coupling capacitor, sized to pass low frequencies without droop into a 4 to 8 ohm speaker. Once wired, briefly test with low volume and a test tone. You finish by tidying the layout. Shorten ground returns, implement a star ground to minimize hum, and mount a heat sink if the amplifier runs warm. Once done, ramp volume slowly while monitoring the waveform on a scope or a Spectrum app to confirm no clipping. If you encounter noise or distortion, first power down and recheck power decoupling caps and ground continuity, then swap suspect capacitors or move wiring to reduce crosstalk. One key tip: intermittent distortion often means a poor ground or loose decoupling cap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.